Thanks to MOFT for sponsoring this video. For many of us, our iPhone isn't just a device, it's an essential part of our daily lives. For me, I like to personalise my iPhone to make it stand out and enhance its functionality, and that's where MOFT come in. MOFT are a brand renowned for their meticulous design and incredible attention to detail, which has allowed them to create some of the very best accessories on the market. This is their Creator Kit, containing everything your iPhone could ever need. The MOFT Creator Kit is a sophisticated assortment of 4 agile accessories meticulously tailored for today's creative minds, designed to seamlessly complement urban exploration, content creation, commuting and vlogging. This collection offers innovative solutions for a modern, on-the-go lifestyle. MOFT have dedicated their attention to every aspect of this product. Even the packaging is ingeniously designed to transform into a convenient organizer, ensuring your essentials are always within reach. At its core, the Creator Kit embraces a minimalist ethos, accentuated by cutting-edge MagSafe technology, delivering incredible versatility. Whether you are capturing content or optimizing productivity during your daily tasks, these accessories effortlessly integrate into your routine. Included in the kit is the Snap Phone Tripod Stand, the Snap-on Phone Stand and Wallet, a lanyard, and MOFT's Snap Phone Case. Each product engineered to elevate your creative experience, but what truly distinguishes the MOFT Creator Kit from the competition is its ingenious origami-inspired design, elegantly infused across their entire product lineup. Let's start things off looking at the MOFT Tripod Stand. This accessory has got to be my personal favourite, purely for its unmatched versatility and functionality. Equipped with extremely strong magnets and a clever hinge mechanism, the MOFT Tripod Stand boasts the origami design that unfolds to offer an adjustable angle range across 3 versatile modes: floating mode, vlogging mode and stand mode. Whether you're capturing landscapes or shooting engaging vlogs, this tripod stand can be tailored to your exact needs. The tripod stand really does offer a multitude of creative possibilities. Its magnetic properties even allow you to securely attach it to metal surfaces, providing unparalleled flexibility in how and where you use it. The versatility of the stand is incredible, and personally it has seamlessly integrated into my daily routines in various ways. At my desk, it's a constant companion, serving me during work calls, file transfers, and even as a standby clock or calendar display, taking advantage of Apple's standby mode. Here in the studio, where I currently use 2 main cameras, the stand offers an invaluable third option. Leveraging the exceptional camera capabilities of the iPhone, I can effortlessly capture content for platforms like X or Instagram without the need for extensive setup with my primary studio camera. I am truly impressed with what MOFT have put together here and cannot recommend this product enough. Next is the MOFT Snap-on Phone Stand and Wallet. This really is the epitome of minimalism and functionality. This accessory is perfect for those moments when you want something sleek and streamlined without sacrificing utility. Housing dual magnets, the MOFT Snap-on attaches securely to the latest iPhones, ensuring a reliable hold every time. Its precise fold design allows for intuitive and flexible use. Simply snap it on and stand it up and fold it back into place. It's a seamless transition from stand to phone, giving you quick access to your device whenever you need it. The Snap-on Phone Stand and Wallet also features a hidden compartment that securely holds up to 3 cards, allowing you to carry your credit cards or ID cards without the need for a separate wallet. It's your everyday carry solution, conveniently integrating your essential cards into your phone setup. Now let's take a closer look at the MOFT Snap Phone Case. Crafted with MOVAS vegan leather, a revolutionary material developed by MOFT, this slim case offers a balanced combination of softness, durability and sustainability. Unlike traditional leather, MOVAS is non-toxic and environmentally friendly, making it the perfect choice for eco-conscious consumers. The soft and durable MOVAS vegan leather offers a luxurious feel, ensuring comfort and protection for your device. Despite its slim profile, the MOFT Snap Phone Case still provides reliable protection without adding unnecessary bulk. Its friction and sweat colour fastness ensure that it retains its true colour, maintaining its pristine appearance even after extended use. And of course, this case is designed to work seamlessly with all other MOFT accessories within the Creator Kit. Whether you're using the Snap Phone tripod stand, the Snap-on phone stand and wallet, or any other accessory, the phone case ensures a perfect fit and effortless compatibility. Finally, let's look at the MOFT Phone Lanyard. Featuring a quick release design and adjustable length of up to 59 inches, the MOFT Lanyard is extremely easy to use. Whether you're running errands, navigating city streets, or capturing moments on the go, this lanyard keeps your phone within easy reach for tasks like checking shopping lists or following directions. With its neutral style and glossy finish, the lanyard complements any outfit or aesthetic, adding a touch of convenience without sacrificing style. Its strong, non-repositionable adhesive ensures a secure attachment to your phone, providing peace of mind as you go about your day. But for those of you already using the case provided within the Creator Kit, the MOFT Phone Lanyard includes a special anchor, allowing for seamless attachment and integration within the case itself. Whilst using lanyards with phones may not be a common sight, its utility will quickly become evident to those who use it. Personally, I've come to appreciate its convenience during long walks, providing quick access to my phone for navigation. It's also ideal for individuals with active lifestyles, such as cyclists who require constant access to their smartphones without compromising on mobility. In essence, the MOFT Phone Lanyard seamlessly blends functionality with convenience, catering to a variety of everyday needs. The MOFT Creator Kit presents a sophisticated selection of accessories designed to elevate the iPhone experience for modern creators. From the versatile tripod stand to the sleek snap-on phone stand and wallet, each accessory seamlessly integrates into your daily routine, offering unparalleled functionality and convenience. The innovative Snap Phone Case, crafted with MOVAS vegan leather, ensures both style and protection, while the MOFT Phone Lanyard provides effortless access to your device on the go. Whether you're a content creator, explorer, or simply seeking practical solutions for everyday tasks, the MOFT Creator Kit offers versatile and stylish accessories, making this an essential addition to any iPhone user's arsenal. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you are still watching up to now, then hit the thumbs up button and think about subscribing to the channel. For those of you who have noticed my iPhone setup in this video and want the same wallpaper which allows you to organise your apps like me, then check out my brand new Divide wallpaper pack. Link to that will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.